Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Acrylic Fetish. The first color here, it's called Carlisle, and it's a beautiful like champagne-y silver. It's super stunning, and the shimmer on here is unreal, and this dip powder is so buttery soft. And then the next color here, it's Tickled Pink. It is a true neon pink, and it also glows in the dark, so stay tuned at the end of the video to see that glow. And then here are the two colors together. I think they're perfect for a simple, easy Valentine's Day mani. And then we're going to be using that decal sheet from Nails Truly. We're going to be making press-ons and doing the gel method. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. There's something about this hot pink with that matte finish top coat, which I cannot stop staring at my hand because it's simply beautiful. And the matte finish is not a satin finish, it's like a true matte finish, which I really like that about this top coat. And then the decals really pull it together, and I really think it's a simple yet easy mani to do for Valentine's Day. All right, so I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.